Hey, this is something all men need to know. Did you know that 89% of men over the age of 40 suffer from at least one form of ED? If you can't get or maintain a firm erection, you've got ED. If you ever ejaculate prematurely, that's another form of ED. If you have to watch pornography in order to get aroused, that's a very common type of ED. And contrary to popular belief, ED affects men of all ages. You might have had premature ejaculation issues in your younger years, and now your erections are losing their strength. All of these problems are ED related. Now here's the good news. A friend of mine dug up an underground scientific study that reveals a simple, all-natural way to instantly and permanently reverse your erectile dysfunction so that you can get rock hard anytime you want and maintain a stiff, bulging, throbbing penis of steel for as long as you need to without ever taking dangerous pills or medication. This secret literally saved my marriage and allowed me to make my wife feel like she was the most satisfied woman on earth, and is the reason why men around the world from ages 30 to 75 are reclaiming their manhood and raving about the effectiveness of this totally safe, simple, all-natural super erection method. I really urge you to check out the link in the description. It might disappear from the internet at any time, and in the video you'll learn why. I'm not exaggerating when I say this, but this is a game changer, a life changer, and in my own case, a relationship changer. And best of all, it works for any guy of any age who is struggling from any type of ED situation. So forget about the ED drugs like Viagra. You honestly don't need them at all, and you're much safer and healthier without them. All you need to do is follow a couple simple, safe, and all-natural steps, and you'll be a man of steel in the bedroom. So I invite you to check out the link in the description. It has helped thousands of men cure their erectile dysfunction, like myself, and I highly recommend it to anyone who suffers from erectile dysfunction. So don't wait. Check out the link in the description and make the decision for yourself if it is the right option for you.